Okay, so Markdown preview, open Markdown links. How should clicking on links to Markdown files be handled in the preview? So you have two options. When you're looking at a preview, so for example, I have two files here, sample markdown.md and another markdown.md, and I'm linking between the two. So this one links to that another one, and this links back to the first one. And this setting pertains to how we're going to handle links to other files, not links in general, links to other files. So we can click here. If we set this to in preview, we click it and we see the preview of the file we linked to, and we can go back and see the preview of the file we linked to again. If we set this to in editor, which is the other option, when we click this link, we're going to open its editor. We're not going to actually see the preview. Actually find the in preview option to be more useful. And it's also more useful for testing purposes if you want to make sure that everything is working correctly if you're creating a structure of Markdown files. So I'm going to leave this one with the in preview.